Under indirect taxation, we are discussing about levy and collection of tax. The agenda is very simple. We will learn about the problem along with concept. What is the purchases? 50 lakh. What is the GST percentage? 5%. Why do we call it as 105? Why? Because in this 6 lakh, your GST percentage is included. Hello everyone, this is your Adhar here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And we are in the session 8 of your topic called Indirect Taxation. Under Indirect Taxation, we are discussing about levy and collection of tax. Levy and collection of tax. Now, it is one of the short smallest session actually. Why? Because we need to complete your composition scheme. In this session, we will complete your composition scheme. In this, the agenda is very simple. We will learn about the problem along with concept. In the problem, we will learn concept. These are the information. In the previous session, we already done one composition scheme. This is another type of composition scheme. It is not similar actually. 90% you can expect what we did in the previous session. And it is one of the small or rarest one. Sometimes they may ask you the composition scheme under this type also. Now, Mr. Neeraj, a retailer who keeps no investment, present the following expected information for 2020. Now, these are the information we have. Now, purchase of goods, rupees 50 lakh, GST at 5%. What is the purchases? 50 lakh. What is the GST percentage? 5%. On purchases, you are paying 5% tax. Then, sales at fixed selling price inclusive of all the taxes 60 lakh. Including tax, what is your selling price? 60 lakh. GST on sales is at 5%. If it is other than composition scheme, what is the percentage we have? 5%. Now, expenses of keeping detailed statutory record required under GST law will be rupees 1,30,000. Now, expenses of keeping detailed statutory records required under GST law will be 1,30,000. Now, per annum, which shall get reduced to 70. See, if you go with normal levy scheme, how much you are supposed to pay? 1,30,000 as expenses. If you go for composition scheme, how much you have to pay? You have to go for 70. There is a reduction of 50,000. Hope you are clear? Yes. Now, if composition scheme is opted and other expenses, this 2 lakh is common for even though it is a composition, even though it is normal levy scheme. Now, what is your rate of composition for this problem? Composition rate is 1%. You know that there are two types of percentage. One is 5%, other one is 1%. This one will carry 1%. Now, so we'll calculate this. These are the answers already we have, but I'll show you how to calculate this. Now, so calculation, first we'll go for normal levy scheme and we'll go for composition levy scheme. Now, first we have to go for cost of goods. Now, what is the cost of goods sold? Now, your purchase value is 50,000 excluding your tax. How much? 50. Remember, while calculating composition, including your tax is your cost. But normal levy scheme, we will not include your tax value. Hope you are clear? Yes. Now, what is the value? 50 lakh. You have taken 50 lakh. Now, what are your expenses? So, you are supposed to pay 1,30,000 and common expenditure 2 lakh. Both are your expenses. So you have 1,30,000 and you have 2 lakh all put together 53,30,000. Hope you are clear. How much we have? 53,30,000. Hope you are clear. Now we got 53,30,000. Now what is the say up to this one calculation? Up to this one calculation. Take your cost plus your expenses, all put together your total cost. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, up to this one calculation, now we'll calculate your sales. What is your sales actually? Your sales already given. It is how much? Yes, it is 60 lakh including GST. We have to find out GST. How much? Now, very simple. You have 60 lakh here. Take 60 lakh into 5% divided by 105. Why do we call it as 105? Why? Because in this 6 lakh, your GST percentage is included. Again, I'll repeat. In this 60 lakh, your GST percentage is included. Now, if you calculate this 60 lakh into 5 divided by 105. How much I got? 2,85,714. 2,85,714. From sales, if you minus your GST, what is your sales? 57,000, 14,286. This is your selling price. This is your purchase price. Sales, purchase. Now, from your sales, if you minus your purchase, you will get your profit. Clear? I'll show it again. From your selling price, your 57 lakh 14,286 minus 53 lakh 30,000. Now, we'll calculate this. So it will be 57 lakh 14,286 minus 53 lakh 30,000. I got 3 lakh 84,286. What is your profit? If you go for normal levy scheme, your profit is 3 lakh 84,286. Hope you're clear. Now, if you go for composition scheme, remember under composition scheme, the cost includes tax. Again, I'll repeat. Under composition scheme, the cost includes normal tax, not composition, normal tax. Now, what is your value? Cost of goods sold. You have 50 lakh plus 5%. 50 lakh plus 5%. How much you will get? Now, 50 lakh plus 5%, you get 52 lakh 50,000. 52 lakh 50,000. Hope you are clear. Your answer is 52 lakh 50,000. Now, your answer is 52 lakh 50,000. Now, what is your cost of maintenance records? Now, maintenance records, see, if it is a normal scheme, it is 130. If it is a composition scheme, it must be 70,000. Now, you have taken 70,000, clear, good. Next, this is also done actually. After this, what is the common expenditure? 2 lakh. Your common expenditure is, yes, it is 2 lakh. Now, this is 2 lakh. Add everything, you got 55 lakh 20,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, 55 lakh 20,000 is your answer. Now, you got 55 lakh 20,000. Now, after that, go for your selling price. Now, your selling price is 60 lakh. What is your selling price? 60 lakh. Selling price is 60 lakh. It is common for both. Now, on 60 lakh, if it is a composition scheme, what is the tax? 1%. Why it is 1%? I'll show you. Composite tax is 1%. Now, on 60 lakh, if you calculate 1%, you get 60,000. Now, 60 lakh minus 60,000, your answer is 59 lakh 40. Similar to your this calculation. Now, this is your selling price. This is your purchase price. $59 lakh 40,000 minus 55,20,000, you will get 4,20,000. You got 4,20,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, your answer is 4,20,000. So we have to find out your selling price. We have to find out your purchase price, and we have to find out your selling price. Selling price minus purchase price is your profit. If you go for normal Levy scheme, your answer will be 3,84,000 is your profit. If you go for composition scheme, your profit is 4,20,000, which is benefited. Your composition scheme will give you more profit. Now, I have to write a conclusion that composition scheme has to be accepted due to higher profit. Again, I'll repeat. Composition scheme has to be accepted due to higher profit. Hope you are clear. Yes. So I'll go back to your previous slide. Yes. Please take a screenshot. Your problem number 1. Your solution part. Please work out one by one as I told you. Go step by step. This is all about your today's session. I know that it is the smallest session because the topic was like that. Next session will wind up with this complete topic and we'll go for the next unit. Thank you.